Hi everybody, welcome back to another video lesson, and in this video today we are going to talk about what is subordinate clause. If you are interested, continue watching this video. Before starting this video, make sure you press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you never miss any update in the future. Okay, so subordinate clause is a part of sentence that adds additional information to the main clause. For example, Alan went to the park after he finished school. Here, Alan went to the park is a main verb, and after he finished school is the subordinate clause, and this is dependent on the main clause, and this is why we call them as dependent clause or embedded clause. I hope you understand it, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye for now.